You probably already know that my Mindfully Managing Mercury Retrograde workbook is available for purchase now on Amazon. So I thought I'd do something a little bit special today. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek into what this workbook looks like on the inside so you know what to expect when you buy your copy. We are in the Amazon KDP print previewer of my workbook. So this is a real behind the scenes look at what this book looks like and what you can expect to see when you purchase it. So I thought this would be the best way to show you because it shows the two pages side by side instead of how it shows up in the Canva document. So I'm going to show you the first couple of pages. So this is like a little about me blurb. Then we have some information on how to use the workbook and what Mercury retrograde is, and some information on the pre-retrograde period. And here is your first journaling page. So that's kind of what they look like. Well, that's exactly what they look like. You've got a prompt and the lines for you to write in. So that's kind of how the workbook looks. So there you have it. That's what the workbook looks like. And if you want to order your copy and have it delivered straight to your door before Mercury goes retrograde next week, go ahead and check out the community tab on my channel or the description box of this video, and you will find the link so that you can buy your copy today.